Hello jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have these goodies again from BeautyBigBang that have been very kindly sent to me for review. So I've got some gel polish. Now I've not used their gel polishes before, so I'll be intrigued to see how they are, and obviously because the cat eye does come with a magnet as well. And I have also got these mermaid kind of / unicorn rhinestones, which obviously are mixed sizes. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is their gel polish. So if you type in this code here, it will take you directly to their polishes if you can't find it, but I've got a link directly to it anyway, so if you just click on that in the description box, then it'll take you straight to the polish. And I do have a 10% discount code which is on screen, which is gel10. So this is the first one. So this is their whole collection that's been sent. So I've got 10 polishes. So obviously at the moment, before it's obviously been affected by the magnet, it's got a very much like a gold look to it. So obviously you would apply this after you've applied your base coat, and it does recommend a dark coloured, base colour to sort of fully get the cat eye effect and the chameleon effect with this. But obviously I have not done those steps because I'm just putting this onto a pop stick. So you would apply it, and once you're happy with the coverage, then you would get your magnet and hold it over the nail as close as possible, but obviously you don't want the magnet touching the gel polish because that will just ruin the look. 10 seconds is normally enough to get the desired effect, and obviously where you position the magnet will change, where the cat eye comes across your nail. So that looks gorgeous with that striking gold line going down the middle. And obviously as soon as you move the magnet, you do want to put it straight into your lamp and cure it, and that will help keep that line as sharp as possible. So I'm just going to show you the other end of the magnet now. Now I'm not sure how they do it, but they can create like an S-shaped look with this part of it. I haven't quite got my head around how they do it yet, so I'm just going to sort of put it in the middle and show you that way. So that is the first polish swatched and done and top coated as well, and I think it's really striking. So with the others, I've already done them off camera. So this is slate grey, but it does kind of have more of a greeny tone to it, and again it's got that gold sort of cat eye shimmer going through it. So this is sea green, so it's a much more of a darker green, but you can see that it's got that gorgeous like goldy shimmer going through it, but actually the cat eye is like a brighter green colour. So I do like the fact that the cat's eyes are different with each of the polishes. It's not just all gold or all one colour. So this is forest green, so again it's quite like a khaki base green with a gold shimmer through it, which is a really nice combo. So moving on now, you've got your orange. So this kind of reminded me, in Jurassic Park when they go down and they see the kind of egg. That's what it looked like to me when I saw it. But again, stunning. And this one, and it's only on this one, I don't know why, but this had a glitter going through it, which I think looks stunning. So you are definitely going to need to do more like this, BeautyBigBang. I absolutely loved how this looked with the glitter sort of base peeping through. So this is chocolate. So again, dark base with that gold shimmer coming through for the cat eye. And this is the next one, and again it's very similar, but one of them, I can't remember now, is darker than the other. I think this one is darker, so it's much more darker brown. Now unfortunately there was a mix-up with the next polish. It should have been a purpley polish, but I think they must have sent me the 6 twice, so I can't swatch the 9A, but this is what it would look like. So I'm actually kind of gutted because I would have liked that colour. That is like a lovely colour that I would go to. And this is the final one, which is absolutely stunning. It kind of reminds me a bit of like a peacock with like the purpley undertone of the base and the blue fleck coming through it. So here they are all together. So obviously I've only just swatched these. This is for swatch purposes. I don't know how long they're going to last. I'll have to do a wear test on them at some point. But I do actually really like this collection. Like I say, it's a shame about that one colour I'm being sent duplicates. But other than that, they seem to be as advertised. And yeah, I think it's a striking mani. I do really like the magnetic look. I do think you can create some really cool manicures with it. So moving on now to these rhinestones. Obviously you get 6 different sizes here, and you've got like gorgeous colours that like obviously come through under different lights. So the only downside is the packaging isn't resealable, so once you open these, obviously you're going to have to find something to put them in. So you can buy pots like this empty off eBay, but if you have spent all of your nail budget and you don't have any more money for pots, you'll be surprised actually that you might have stuff already that you can use. So I got these pots. I think there are 12 pots in total, and these are actually a Beauty Big Bang product. It's like a foily leaf kind of thing. And basically, because this is so light and delicate, I could put all of the foil into one pot. So instead of having 3 pots of silver foil, it's all just in one pot. And then that actually freed up 6 pots for me to use and be able to put these rhinestones in and keep them safe. So I just thought I'd share that with you, because that might be something that you can do also. So it's a little, you know, helpful tip for you, and also a money saving one, so you don't have to spend extra money on pots. So obviously you only want to open one section at a time to obviously keep the sizes separate. So it can be a little bit fiddly to get it out. You just sort of have to keep like pressing it at the bottom and like pushing it down, and like the last few you do kind of have to get your finger and like pull it down the packet, but you can get them all out. So I'm going to just do the rest off camera, but aren't they so pretty with how the light catches it? Absolutely stunning. So as this is meant to be like a unicorn slash, well, I'm not going to be doing the mermaid side of it. I'm kind of picking up on the unicorn side of it. I thought I'd do it like a little design that you may possibly want to do using these products. So you would go ahead and have a white base of your gel polish, and go ahead and apply a no wipe top coat. So I'm using my Madame Glam unicorn powder. So if you just put it directly over a white base, you do get that gorgeous like colour shift, but it is a little bit more subtle, but you have got all those wonderful beautiful colours that we love in a unicorn chrome powder. There you go. Sorry, the light's kind of reflecting off it. You can't really see the colour that well. I find with chromes it is better in the shade as opposed to like the bright LED lights. It does show it up better. So I'm going to use this base for when I apply the rhinestones, but if you do want a more sort of prominent base look, I have shown this in another video, but I thought I'd show it again as it's obviously a fresher video. You can get a striping brush and your gel polishes and apply the colours this way. So I'm using my Melody Susie collection. It's their Sweet Reverie collection. So I've got the blue, the purple and the pink and the yellow out of that one. And basically I'm just adding the purple, both sides of the blue. Obviously the gel does spread, so you can see it's spreading quite quickly on the nail. So you do want to work fairly quickly with it. And I did find this a lot easier doing it on my own nails. And off camera. So yeah, so you want to put the pink both sides and then finish off with the yellow. Obviously I wouldn't normally have the blue so prominent, but it doesn't really matter in the stream of things. So you would have cured that underneath your lamp, and then you want to go ahead and apply a no wipe top coat, because you're going to add the unicorn powder over the top of this to get that sort of chromey look going on also. But this look is really striking. I did put it on my own nails as well. So obviously I've got all the rhinestones now. So I did start off by applying this glue. And what I will say is it is very strong. And if you're going to use a glue, then you need to kind of have your rhinestones out. And you need to put it into the position quickly, because as you'll see in a minute, I kind of put it on the nail and thought I had time to like maneuver it around. So I kind of like got it so it's turned over, went back for this one, placed that one on, and then I could not move that rhinestone. It was like not budging, which is great, but not if you've not particularly got it put it where you want it. So I actually refer it like back to the gel polish top coat. Obviously the downside with this is the rhinestones can obviously move around. So what I do with this is I generally sort of go in and do like a 10-second flash cure just to kind of keep it in place so it's not like sliding all over the nail. So you probably can't tell, but I was attempting to do like a unicorn horn and kind of obviously have it bigger and then like going down smaller and smaller. But yeah, it didn't really go to plan. But anyway, you can obviously place these rhinestones however you want to have them, whether you want full on bling or subtle. So I'm going to be coming to the end of this video soon. So I just want to thank you for watching. Thank you Beauty Big Bang for sending me out these products to review. If you've got any questions, then pop that in the comments box below. If you've not done so already, please subscribe to my channel and press that notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'd really appreciate that, and obviously if you give my video a thumbs up and a comment, that all helps sort of like make my channel grow, which I would really appreciate. Yeah, so that is it, jelly babes. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.